Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my Anfield road expansion update. As you can see, there's a big yellow crane on site. That's new. Does anyone know what that's for? Can you let me know? As you know, I'm not really clued up on my cranes, but it's a big one. So can anyone let me know what that's for? Thank you. I'm going to fly over the grounds straight away. I want to see if there's any seats in here. I've seen on other videos that more seats are going in. There's guys on the roof which they're brave today. It's still fairly windy-ish. So it's going to rain later today as well, so I'm here quite early. It's like, what, 9 AM I'm here. Right, okay. Right, I need to... I'm looking in the wrong place, that's why I can see them now. Yeah, there they are. There you go. So seats are in. What's that on the ground there? Well, that's a little bit of interest. See what that is there. Right, it's hard because I'm losing my signal. Maybe I'll stand back a touch. Oh, that's better for me there. Right, let's zoom in on these seats again. There we go. Loads of seats in there. Interesting. So, nothing going on next to them, is there? No. So there's them ones there. Someone said if we go down the side as well, that I'd be able to see the other seats that went in, that row that went in. Oh, those school kids were on. I'll tell you what, let's see what's going on down here first. See what he's doing. He's painting. We've got a painter in. The painter's the decorator in. God, his hands must be freezing. That's what you call attention to detail though, isn't it? What is that he's painting? Is that something he's painting then he's going to put somewhere? Yeah, there's like a stack of them there that he's got to paint on this, so they're stood up while he paints them. I get you. Okay. Interesting. See what's going on the roof. Come on, a touch. Making a quick phone call. I'll zoom out, give him some privacy. That's someone there. Tell you what, these guys are mental, aren't they? Oh, what's going on there, I wonder? just securing the netting there, do you think? Okay. There's quite a few guys down here. Must be cold up there though. I wouldn't like to be up there right now. Okay. I'm coming right out. I'm gonna skirt down this crane. Yeah, I'm not gonna get to see these seats am I in here. No, zoom back out. Right, so I'll get back in the air. Look what these lads are doing over here. Down a touch, not too much. There's a lot of planning going on, to be fair. Let me zoom out, get a better angle. Then we'll have a look at the windows. Flying a bit erratically there. There's a better angle to look at them. Yeah, there's not a lot going on there. Looks like they're taking a little break, which I don't blame them. There's all the safety gear on the ground there. Right, let's have a look at these windows that have gone in. See what the state of affairs is on these. Yeah, so the windows are looking quite well. Keep the guys inside shielded from the elements as well, so it's a win-win. Let's have a little kind of cross. Not much work going on there, but there's loads of stuff stacked in there, so that's the only one in there that seems to be doing something. Not like they're not all doing work, but let's have a close look on the top here. I say this will start flying along now. This all this work. It's cold today, guys, but the only hands are freezing them. Yeah, not much going on the outside today. Get lower, have a look at the brickwork. That's coming on a bit more now. about them trees there. Loads more brickwork going on there. Trees are in the way there. Well, it's looking really good. I got loads of brickwork around this side of the run now. That wasn't there last time, was it? Yeah, they're building this side up more now. So let's have a look up here, what these are doing. God, I hate to be a bricklayer in this weather. God, the arms feel like they're falling off. Yeah, that's it, guys. Don't want to bore everyone too much, but there's loads going on. Let's look here. Does anyone know why that's getting dug up? What's going there? Could let me know, please, that'd be great. I can get them back in there. Yeah, if anyone can let me know what's going on there, it'd be great to find out. I say about that big yellow crane on the far side, someone can let me know what that's all about, what that one's for, and anything else that you want to see, let me know. You know what? I've just seen something from the ground here. So I'll do a cut, fly over, and I'll have a zoom in on one looking at you. Right, I've got the drone pretty much right in front of me here, because just doing the best angle I can get of it, I think. I'll just bring this out here. Tell you what. So, it's this brickwork here. The corporate part. The glass. Yeah, so yeah, I'll leave that there, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, share, all the good stuff. Help my channel grow. Okay, thanks for watching. Speak to you all soon. Bye now.